In this video, I am doing a simple DIY. If you're interested in finding out what it is, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear, click that bell, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is titled Valentine Sweets and Treats 2020. And it's hosted by a wonderful YouTuber, Rita Renee, at Craft Today with Rita Renee. Now, if you're not familiar with Rita's channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it becomes available down in the description. Now, let's get into her rules. Now, she says to create a DIY or purchase a gift for your Valentine. Include candy. This can be one piece of candy or more. Include a heart, and the twist is that if you purchase anything, it can't be over $10. $10. And her other rules are you must be subscribed to her channel, you must mention her channel in the video, you must include her link and the playlist in the description box, the normal things. Now, she has a hashtag, and her hashtag, I'll run it across the screen, is hashtag Valentine Sweets and Treats 2020. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I did for my DIY, really simple, then you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, I'm going to start off by showing you the items I'm going to use for this very simple DIY. I'm doing it for a man, so you do everything simple. I'm using a mason jar that I already had, some white and red heart ribbon that I had in my stash. I'm using 2 glitter hearts that I had in my stash. I'm using a piece of paper and a pen, my glue gun and glue sticks, and a pair of scissors. It's a very simple DIY, something you do for a man. My husband doesn't like all that frilly, and I didn't have any twine in my stash, and I thought I did, but I didn't. So I used what I had, the heart ribbon, which can be repurposed for something else. Now I traced out the inside lid of the mason jar, and I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller because I think it's, in my mind, I thought it was too big. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you watch this simple DIY. see what I mean? It's very simple for a man, and I put red hots in it, something that he likes to eat sometimes. So I thought it would be nice for Valentine's Day. And they're not called red hots, they're called cinnamon Imperials. Yes. If you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.